Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by defining how you will use the image. That determines which permissions matter. Next, use Google Images tools to filter by usage rights and select appropriate sizes. Once done, open the image hosting page and inspect metadata, license statements, or captions to verify terms. Make sure to note the creator, date, and any attribution required. Do this now so you don't waste time on images that will later cause legal or takedown problems. You now confirm the license and its obligations. Read the exact Creative Commons variant. Some allow modification but require attribution, others forbid commercial use. If the license is ambiguous, contact the rights holder or choose a clearly licensed alternative like CC0 or public domain images. Also run a reverse image search to trace the original source and past license claims. This helps reveal uncredited stock or infringing repos. You're ready to download and implement the image. Save the highest usable resolution and preserve the original file name and source URL for records. When you use it, add an attribution line showing the title, creator, source, and license link. Place it near the image or in credits. Once live, archive screenshots of the license and any communications. If a claim arises, respond promptly with your evidence. If removal is requested, replace the image with a properly licensed alternative to avoid repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.